Hey guys, I've been MIA just for a little bit, but I'm back, and today I have 5 life-saving tips to help you manage medical school and life. All right, you ready? The first one is to make you a priority. Eat well, exercise, maintain contact with family and friends, and please avoid sacrificing sleep. All right, so 2, aim for your best, not perfection. Know that mistakes are opportunities. Take it easy on yourself. You're in the learning process, so you're already doing good. 3, use a virtual calendar for time management. Calendars are good, but virtual calendars are excellent. Okay, you ready for the 4th one? Learn to say no. You don't have to do what you can't, period. Last one, seek help when in need. Getting professional advice and assistance can save you time, stress, and potential problems. Like this post, save and share, and join my email list for more tips on medicine and life.